Dude, look at this. I have over 1,000 shorts ready to go that I can plug into YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. I did it all under 9 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how. So it's no secret that shorts are in right now, and there are channels out there that are like completely crushing it with simple content that doesn't even show their face. And that's what makes what I'm about to show you so exciting, because like you don't need to be like a professional video editor, you don't need a team, you don't even need to like come up with like fresh ideas. All you need is a computer and a few minutes out of your day, and you can have like a year's worth of content just ready to go. To start, you're going to want to head over to ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, set one up and start a new chat. Now here, all you have to do is copy and paste in the prompt that you'll find in the description of this video. However, I just want to take a quick second and break down the anatomy of this prompt. You'll notice that I begin with please create 45 sets of positive affirmations, but why 45? I mean, why not like 500 or why not like 1,000? Well, first, my approach is to do 90 posts per month, and so I create 90 shorts at a time. And I mean, again, this just helps me stay organized, like knowing which posts are going to go out each month. But I request 45 posts at a time because I found that smaller numbers return better quality. You know, I've learned that like a good food for thought is I try to stay under about 75 posts at a time. So next it reads, please reference and follow the included examples and format them in a table. And so, I mean, this is prompting chat to create a table like an Excel sheet. And as you'll see in just a moment, that table is going to help us transfer this output over to Canva. I then go on to tell chat what the column should be and what type of affirmations I'm looking for. And lastly, I mentioned that I do not want chat to repeat any of the content. I mean, that makes sense, right? I don't want to end up with any duplicates. And I mean, that's basically it. And so, I mean, you can see right here, I have a table that's nicely organized with my content ready to use. Now, like I said, I do 90 at a time. So to get my additional posts, I enter prompt number 2, which reads, please create 45 more using the same specifications, and please do not repeat any of the ones already given. And I mean, with that simple line, we will get 45 more. And of course, you know, to hit over 1,000, I mean, all you have to do is just keep repeating prompt number 2 over and over again until you hit your number. Now, let's head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account with Canva, you will need to establish one. Now, Canva does offer a free trial, so if you don't want to like pay for it up front, you can always sign up for the free trial and then cancel it after you've created your shorts. But once you're like all signed up and signed in, on this home screen, type in YouTube Shorts into the search field and then hit enter. Now here, I mean, you're going to see a list of YouTube short templates like perfectly formatted that you could use if you wanted to. I mean, I already see like a couple of potentials that can fit, but I'm going to start with a blank template. Now, the first thing we want to do is choose a video background, and to do that, we want to find apps in the left column and then choose videos. Now you can search for a video right here or browse the existing categories to find what you're looking for, but I think I'm gonna go with like a nature video and maybe like something like this. When you've made your selection, drag the video to the canvas so it fills up the whole box just like that. Now we're gonna add our text. Go back to the left column and choose text and then drag a heading into the canvas. And then I'm gonna rename this Use. Next, I'm gonna style my text. I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna add a background by hitting the effects button and then choosing background in the list. I'm gonna choose a different font like this one right here. And then I'm gonna adjust the size of the text box, stretching the box to the purple bleed lines. Next, I'm gonna duplicate my headline, move it up, and then change the name to category. And then I'm gonna change the styling just a bit. I'm gonna go back to effects and remove the background but add an outline. Now I want the outline to be black with a little bit more thickness. Next, I'm gonna make the font a little smaller. And then I'm gonna duplicate that text field and write the word affirmation. Great. Now, I'm gonna go back to my use field and then duplicate it one last time. And then I'm gonna change the text to solution. Great. I mean, this is really coming together. Now, we want to do 2 more things before we bring in our data. First, let's shorten this clip to about 7 seconds. Click the video and then find the scissors icon right here. And then just drag the progress bar until we get to 7 seconds. And then click done. Great. Now we want to clip our text. Essentially, as you'll see in a moment, we want our first text to show and then our second text. To do this, let's first right-click Use and then choose Show Timing. And then down here, I'm going to shorten the progress meter to about 3.5 seconds. And then I'm going to do the same with Solution, but I'm going to have it start at 3.5 seconds. Great. We're now ready for our data. First, we're going to choose Apps and then choose Bulk Create and then choose Enter Data Manually. Now, go back over to Chat and then copy the table that it gave us. And then come back to Canva and then click the first field and then hit Paste. And look at that. Now hit Done and let's get everything connected. First, let's click Category, then right click, then Connect Data, then choose Category. Simple. And then let's do the same for Use and Solution. Great. Now let's move Solution so it's on top of Use because that's ultimately where we want that text to appear. Then hit Continue and then hit Generate. Now, quick side note, you may see 44 designs instead of 45. The reason is because Chat counts the first field in the output. So it is 45 lines, but we only net 44. But here we are. I mean, look at this. We have 44 shorts created and ready to go. You can see it brought in our data perfectly and it follows the timestamps we placed in there. From here, just click share and then download, and then remember to click download pages as separate files, and that's it. But how cool is that? I mean, you can use this exact formula to not only create YouTube Shorts, but also TikToks and Instagram Reels. This process saves a ton of time and can help you easily launch a faceless channel with unbelievable consistency. Well, I want to thank you for your time. Your time is so important to me, so I do hope you found value, and until next time.